Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham today. I spotted this last week or the week before and decided it was overpriced at £2.99, but they got a sale on. It's reduced to £1.49. Apache helicopter with realistic rotary blade flying action. It's one of those ceiling tether toys. So that's our ceiling tether. And here's our Apache helicopter. I thought it might be fun to have a look at it. Okay, that's our ceiling tether. I wonder if it's got any batteries in it. I wouldn't think so. No, it's in the off position, on position. Okay, I'll put some batteries in it and we'll have a look. DY Toy 2000. Da Yang Toys, patent pending, or patent pending, made in China. Well, that's unusual. One C-size battery. I expect that's to get enough weight at the front to balance it. Luckily, I just happen to have some C-size batteries. You might be able to hear it's raining outside. I usually try and edit it out on the video, but you might be able to hear it. Okay, so how is that going to spin round? I can't imagine that. That's what pushes it forwards. Oh, and that one's broken. Let's see if I can get a bit of super glue on that. But when we turn it on, it is only that one that turns. Okay, well, I'll rig it up because I've got a ceiling tether attached to our ceiling anyway, so I won't be using the supplied one. Well, it works. And the rotors do turn. And if it go the opposite way. It's going the other way, picking up speed. Probably not in focus at all. There we go. Ceiling tether helicopter. Check the video description and there will be a link to my ceiling tether playlist. I've had quite a few toys and scratch built, homemade, flying around in here. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.